would like to talk about our newly launched program, Civil's Foundation Program, in association with Nalanda Group of Institutions, and we are honored with the presence of Mr. Surya, the director of Nalanda Group of Schools. Right. So with this program, we are aiming to create curiosity and at the young stage, students should be motivated towards civil services. So the plan behind this program launching today is that right from 6th class onwards, they will get motivated towards civil services, and we are delighted to launch this program in association with Nalanda schools.
Thank you, sir. At this moment, I am really missing two people who belongs to La Excellence. One is the founder, Mr. Rambabu Garu, and the other person who has initiative and worked hard to make sure this collaboration is happening, Mr. Sai Kumar. So thank you for being so motivated by yourselves, because you want to do something even for the younger generation. It's not just for few people. And here we have launched a very new program for our 6th class students, from 6th to our intermediate students, where we would like to drive all the students out of the box. We never wanted to keep them inside the class or teach them the regular path of education. So when I'm in search of that, my friend has suggested, why can't you approach La Excellence, because they are the right pioneers in anything, because every time they are going on with a very great feedback, and most of the people are suggesting them. Then I approached Sir Rambabu sir, and he was very delighted with my thought and my vision, and he supported me, and finally we are here on the collaboration day.
Yes.
So it's so amazing and it's nice. So let's start a new journey where we are completely let's bring that revolution in the education, not just in the state, but to the whole country. Let us take that initiative and let us go ahead with that. Thank you.